Growing up, my dad is a politician. I suppose to us it was always quite normal. We saw it as quite normal. And he was a politician, since I was a child. And I always associated as a child then with Dublin. He was gone kind of every Monday to Thursday or Friday. So I used to be kind of waiting up to hear the door go on a Thursday in the early hours. COVID was probably the big one as a young adult, waiting for all these announcements, and it's your dad that's giving the announcements, and the whole country's 50-50 on what they want. So yeah, that was probably the most intense that I ever got. Having him as a politician was particularly those kind of 6 months when there used to be announcements. That was strange, I suppose. But other than that, we find it very normal. Like, he's been our dad. We come down to Nemo. I play matches. My brother plays matches. He goes to the games, all that kind of thing. 3 words. Am I allowed to say he's late for everything? That's probably one trait. Look, he's very hardworking, to be fair. That's one thing he's probably tried to pass on to us. There's no real such thing as a day off in his job, and that's been the way for as long as I can remember. It's kind of 7 days a week. The phone is going, no such thing as a summer holiday without the phone. The last thing is probably he's pretty calm, in fairness. Regardless of whether it was COVID or whatever the situation, like, he'd be fairly level-headed and a calm voice normally. Dad's biggest focus at the moment is housing. They've made a lot of progress in the last few years, and he's very keen to see that job through. Friends of mine, my generation, he wants to ensure we all get a chance to own our own homes. That's probably his biggest focus at the moment.